You're watching ModShapes. I'm Alex Steele, and today I'm going to make a tarot card wand or base to flip the cards down onto with this cool selenite. And let's go! Well, there it is, a tarot card wand with selenite inlay that can act as a base for the smaller and average sized tarot cards. Please like, share, and subscribe. Things are really crazy in the world, so the most important thing that you can do is take care of yourself and your family, stay safe, be vigilant, and I hope to see you on the next one.